How the top 1% people are using manifestation to create extraordinary lives. I once knew a woman named Sarah, a struggling artist who had been pursuing her passion for painting for years without much success. Despite her talent and dedication, she couldn't seem to break through and achieve her dreams of recognition and financial stability. She felt discouraged and on the verge of giving up her artistic aspirations. One day, Sarah stumbled upon a book about manifestation. Intrigued, she delved into the concept and discovered the power of focusing her thoughts and intentions to attract her desires. She started practicing manifestation techniques daily, visualizing her success as an artist, affirming her belief in her abilities, and scripting her dream outcomes as if they had already materialized. At first, Sarah's progress was slow. She faced self-doubt, criticism, and setbacks along the way. But she remained committed to her practice, believing that manifestation was the key to unlocking her true potential. Then, something extraordinary happened. Sarah's paintings began to gain recognition. She received positive feedback from art critics, her work started getting featured in galleries, and she attracted a growing audience of collectors. Her financial situation improved, and she finally felt like she was living the life of her dreams. Scientific fact: the power of manifestation is rooted in the principles of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and change in response to new experiences and stimuli. When we focus our thoughts and intentions on a particular outcome, we create neural pathways that align with that outcome. This, in turn, increases the likelihood of achieving what we desire. Studies in neuroscience have shown that regular manifestation practice can lead to positive changes in brain function, including increased activity in the prefrontal cortex, the area associated with planning, decision-making, and self-control. This suggests that manifestation can not only help us achieve our goals but also improve our cognitive abilities. Manifestation techniques. There are many different manifestation techniques that you can use, each with its own unique approach to harnessing the power of your thoughts and intentions. Some of the most popular techniques include visualization. This technique involves creating a vivid mental image of your desired outcome, engaging all your senses to bring the experience to life. Affirmations. This technique involves repeating positive statements to yourself, reinforcing your belief in your ability to achieve your goals. Scripting. This technique involves writing down your desired outcome in detail, as if it has already happened, creating a powerful declaration of your intention. Gratitude. This technique involves expressing gratitude for the positive things in your life, shifting your focus from what you lack to what you already have, which can open up new opportunities for growth and abundance. How the top 1% people are using manifestation. The top 1% of people have mastered the art of manifestation and are using it to achieve extraordinary results in all areas of their lives. They understand the power of their thoughts and intentions and actively cultivate a positive mindset that attracts success, fulfillment, and abundance. These individuals have a clear vision of their goals and consistently focus their attention on achieving them. They practice gratitude regularly, acknowledging the good things in their lives and appreciating the journey of growth and progress. The top 1% also surround themselves with supportive and inspiring people who believe in their potential and encourage them to pursue their dreams. They create a supportive environment that reinforces their positive beliefs and helps them stay motivated on their path to success. Tips for success. While manifestation is a powerful tool, it requires consistent effort and commitment to achieve the desired results. Here are some tips for using manifestation effectively. Be specific and clear about your goals. The more specific you are about what you want, the easier it will be to focus your energy and attract the right opportunities. Visualize your success vividly. Engage all your senses to create a realistic and detailed mental image of your desired outcome. Repeat positive affirmations daily. Reinforce your belief in your abilities and your commitment to achieving your goals. Script your desired outcome as if it has already happened. Write down your goals in detail, expressing gratitude for the positive changes and accomplishments you have experienced. Practice gratitude regularly. Take time each day to appreciate the good things in your life, even the small things. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Create it. And have you ever tried manifestation? What was your experience? Thank you for watching. I hope you found this story inspiring and informative.